Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and join the family. We are happy to have you. We have room for plenty. And if you're returning, thank you for watching more and more videos. I appreciate and I hope you enjoyed this one too. So guys, today I decided to talk about products. And as a natural hair person, you understand me. You understand what we go through, like how many products we have to go through. You know, those products that promise to deliver on heaven and earth, but didn't deliver on earth or heaven. Well, maybe not that bad. Maybe it works for some people. Like, I'm not gonna take that away, but I feel like I have, invested a good share of my money on products that I just don't use. But that's not what this video is about. Today I am dedicating this video to products that have actually stood the test of time. Products I am not allowed to run out of because my hair needs it, loves it. They're not a lot, and I'm kind of proud of myself because I don't feel like a product junkie anymore. But I have this right here. Seems like a lot, but it's not a lot. So I just wanted to go through and show you guys my top products that I love using. And even though I add things to this from time to time, maybe, but I feel like whenever I have this, I can sleep well at night. Whenever I have this product, I feel like all is well. Nothing can go wrong. You get the feeling. The first product, to be honest, is not really about the brand per se. I switched this brand up a bit, but I feel like I've stuck with this one for a while. And it's just my good oldie conditioner and shampoo from Tresemme. Sometimes I use Swab, and sometimes I use some other conditioners and shampoos. But I feel like, especially for detangling, because I go through a lot and the bottle is big, and I like the conditioner. I've tried some other conditioners, and to be honest, I couldn't really tell the difference in my hair. Maybe I need to try some more. Same for my shampoo. Typically I stick with this, or I mix it up with some other shampoos from time to time. So when it comes to my lotion and my leave-in conditioner, I stick with Kaks. And that's because I think of all the brands that I have tried. These two just seem to do the trick for me. So this is their conditioning creamy hair lotion. This is really just the lotion that I use in between, after wash day and in between washes. So I always use this to keep my hair constantly moisturized, but I don't use it by itself. I mix it up with some coconut oil and some olive oil. So once I shake this all up, it's always ready to go. If my hair needs a bit of a boost, I just spritz this a little bit in my hands and I put it on my hair and I'm fine. I always have this. I just kind of run out of it. If I'm running out of it, I get a new one. And then the other one is the Kaks Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream in shea butter flavor. I've tried this product in the cocoa butter before. I tried that one, and even though the conditioner was fine, I absolutely hated the smell. This one, I love the smell. So this is my leave-in conditioner. I use this, right after I deep condition my hair before I start styling with this one as well. Now the next things that are important to me are my oils, right? And like I said, I have my two oils, so my coconut oil, and I typically buy Parachute from Amazon. Parachute, I think that's how it's called. And I don't really care what brand of olive oil I buy, as long as I just get a extra virgin olive oil that is unprocessed. So olive oil and coconut oil. However, for the past 6 months now, I haven't been using coconut oil. I'm trying to take that out of my regimen to see how that works, or rather to see how my hair will react to a lack of coconut oil. I know it doesn't work well for some people. Some people say their hair hates coconut oil. I don't know if my hair hates it or not. I don't know if it's detrimental to my hair. It hasn't done anything negative to my hair, but I wanted to see if my hair will flourish better without it. So I'm taking a break from coconut oil for now, but I still always have this. And then my last oil, which is my holy grail of oil, is my black castor oil. So, and this is one I use. I really hope this is focusing, but I'm gonna put in a link to all these products. I usually get them from Amazon, I think, except the candles I get from the beauty supply, but I'll find them online and put a link for everything. But yeah, but I absolutely love this. And the bottle actually goes a long way. It lasts me really long. This is my first bottle of castor oil since 2019. Since 2019, and it barely is running out. But of course, I already bought another one just in case this one runs out on me. And I think another thing about oils is I try to have two kinds of oils. So I have the light oils, which are these two oils, and these oils, they're light, so they're penetrating into your hair strands. I think there's some other light oils, and I'll try to put a list of light oils right here so you guys can see what the options are for light oils if you don't want to use any of these two. And then these, the black castor oil is a heavy oil which your strands don't necessarily absorb, but they act as a wonderful barriers or coats over your hair to protect your hair. So there are other heavy oils you can use as well, such as cocoa butter or shea butter, which I've used actually in the past, both of them. But I really like the black castor oil. I feel like my hair started doing a lot better when I kind of streamlined everything to just these products. The last product but not the least, which is a product I don't use as often really, is my heat protector. And this is a coconut diffuser and heat protector. I got it also from Amazon. I can also put a link to this product. But this is my this product I probably use whenever I choose to blow out my hair, which is not very often, but I also I've just kind of run out of this product. There are certain other things I feel like many naturalistas might think that, oh, you need to have, like maybe edge controls and gels, but personally, I don't really care for those things, to be honest. I don't care for my edges to be silky smooth because that's just not the way they are. I brush them to look neat, but I try to also avoid or reduce the amount of products I use on my hair, because if I pack my hair with products that my hair isn't like absorbing or doing anything with, I have to find time to wash it out, you know? So I'm just not a big fan of it. If I really have to, I will. I had a video about top things I wish I knew when I started my natural hair journey, and one of the top tips I had was that less is more. And I feel like this is kind of like the proof that I've come to really reduce the things that I use on my natural hair. I keep it to the basics: a shampoo, a wash shampoo and conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, hair lotion, and oil. That's it. So let me know what your staple products are. If there are certain things that you really feel like I need to add to this list, tell me. Let me know what you feel about having a lot of products or having just, you know, a few products. Alright guys, thank you again for watching. I look forward to talking to you on my next video. I know there's a notification bell that if you click on, you will get notified when I post my next video, and I hope you do that. I hope you want to watch my next video. Alright guys, thank you, and I will talk to you later. Bye.